And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
We may not have rocks to clean up by Wednesday morning, but certainly tree limbs and trees going down with gusty winds in the forecast. Right now, the concern is fog after some rain last night and this morning. This is what we're left with in Providence. You can barely even see the church right now. It is like socked in for areas to the north. Smithfield, less than half-mile visibility. Fog throughout Taunton and also back into areas like Attleboro, Riverside. And this is where the cool sector of areas. You go south, not as much fog and warmer temperatures. There's a front that is essentially cutting right across our area. It was in the 70s and sunny in Westerly like all morning long. It was unbelievable. And then I hit Exeter, and it was like Mother Nature turned on the air conditioning, and it was cloudy, foggy, and like 56 in a matter of like 3 miles. It changed. And we're half in the cool and half in the mild. Temperatures tonight will all come back to the 50s and low 60s. We have some rain in the forecast. After some rain last night and this morning, some rain comes in tonight. It'll be with us for the overnight hours, arriving after about 10 p.m., and that fog is with us all night long. Now, that is not part of the nor'easter that will affect our area for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and Wednesday morning. This is a separate batch of rain for tonight. And then tomorrow, that rain will continue in the morning. The biggest concern tomorrow, though, is the winds start to ramp up as we go into the afternoon. Temperatures are in the 60s. And as you get towards the evening hours, there'll be a concern for those winds to get even stronger as we go into the overnight. Here's your forecast gust. Developing low pressure, rapid low pressure development off the coast tonight. And by the time we get to tomorrow at noon, you start to feel the effects of the winds. We already have some rain falling, gusts 35, 40 miles an hour. Then we go into 6 p.m. on Tuesday. This is tomorrow evening. Notice all the reds and purples. Gusts now 40 to 50 miles an hour to the east. 30 to 40 miles an hour for most of the rest of us in portions of Rhode Island and interior southeastern Mass. By midnight Tuesday night, here we go. Strongest winds, 50, 60 miles an hour, all out of the northeast. And that will continue into Wednesday morning with some strong gusty winds. The winds will not back off until sometime late in the day on Wednesday. A lot of times when we get these wind events, they're short duration, 5-6 hours, boom. This is like a 12 to 16 hour wind event. And that can cause widespread power outages. Here's the forecast wind gusts in the red, 50 to 60. In the orange, 40 to 50. Strongest winds, again, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We have multiple alerts for the area. High wind warning for areas in South County and much of southeastern Mass for those gusts 50 to 60. And a wind advisory for the rest of the area for the gusts 40 to 50. I don't care if you're in the advisory or warning. We're all going to have strong gusty winds that could cause potential damage across the area and power outages. The trees are fully leaved. They're vulnerable to fall over. All right, here's the rainfall for tonight. A little surge of rain tonight after 10 p.m. But tomorrow morning, the rain will back off a little bit. We wait for the low pressure to come closer. The heaviest bands of rain will hold off until nighttime. The low pressure, these little white lines are isobars. The closer they are, the more intense the wind is. The low pressure will track closer to our area Tuesday night. Winds are strongest Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The low will then wobble away from the area Wednesday afternoon. By late in the day, the light rain moves out. We start to see the winds relax a bit, but a soaker before it moves away. In addition to the wind, 2 to 5 inches of rainfall, the entire area is in a flood watch for the duration of the storm. Once the nor'easter pulls away, Thursday looks okay. A few spotty showers for the weekend, drying out for the trick-or-treaters Sunday night. Temperatures in the 50s and low 60s. John?
Well, certainly a lot going on there. All right, thank you, Jeff. Patriot Place.